Hello viewers, myself Shayan Mujumdar on behalf of Science Academia. This is our third video lesson on atomic structure part 1. So this is about wave and photoelectric effect. So just we have to know that first what is wave. So wave is defined by the three characters. First is wavelength, second frequency, and the third one is wave number. Wavelength is denoted by lambda, frequency is denoted by nu, and wave number is denoted by nu bar. So these are the three characters of wave. Now we have to know that how wave is related to the atoms. Specifically, when a light with a particular frequency that incidence on a surface of metal, certain amount of electron emitted from it. So these have a particular range of frequency and particular range of intensity. Now the ray by the process which is electron is radiated, that is called wave. So this is a metal surface kindly. Now we have to know that what are the three properties of wave. So if we can plot a curve, a wave look like this, especially if we give certain numbers or certain alphabet, the distance between BD or CE or the distance between two trough or two crest is called a wavelength. That means BD or CE, that is equal to wavelength or a lambda. Now what is frequency? It is the number of wave generated per second. Okay, now as it is the number of wave generated per second, so it has the only unit of second inverse, or that is frequency. Now there is a basic relation between frequency and wavelength, and we have to take another constant value in between these two properties of wave, that is c, the speed of light in vacuum, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 3 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second. Now we have to know that what is the relation. The relation is specifically C equal to nu lambda. We can get that lambda equal to C by nu. So this is the basic relation between wavelength and frequency. Now the third one property is wave number, that is the number of wave per unit length. That means it has also the same unit like meter inverse or centimeter inverse. Now we have to derive the equation of wave number. So we basically know that C equal to mu lambda and lambda equal to C by nu. Now basically wave number is just the reciprocal of lambda or wavelength. That means 1 by lambda equal to wave number. So we can change the equation, or we can divide this equation by 1. This will be just opposite. So wave number is equal to frequency divided by the speed of light. Now, this was all about wave. Now we have to know that what is photoelectric effect. That was discovered by Einstein in 1905. Einstein given three postulates that how much the intensity that doesn't sure that the electron will emitted. The frequency have to cross or have to be greater than the critical frequency of the metal, that is threshold frequency. And if the frequency of the incident radiation is greater than the threshold frequency, the metal will emit electrons. The second thing is the intensity is proportional to the number of electrons. That means the greater the intensity, the greater will be the number of electron per unit time. The third thing in Einstein postulate is that the mu or the frequency of the emitted light is directly proportional with the intensity of emitted electron or the kinetic energy or emitted electron. That means the electron, the greater the value of the frequency of the light, the greater the kinetic energy of an electron. Now, Einstein also proposed a basic equation which was h nu equal to W plus half mv square. Now what is this? Here nu is the frequency of incident radiation. What is W? W is work function. And what is mv, half mv square? That is the kinetic energy of electron. Now, the incident ray have a frequency of mu. The metal uses up the work function or the equal energy that is equal to the work function, and the electron that are emitted have a same energy or same kinetic energy, about half mv square. Now, what is W? Here W is exactly equal to the threshold frequency multiplied by the Planck's constant. So basically the final equation is h nu equal to h nu naught plus half mv square, and that will be end up like half mv square equal to h nu minus h nu naught. So if we plot a curve of y equal to mx plus c, that means a straight line curve on the basis of this equation, that will be look like this. We have to plot kinetic energy at y-axis, that is y. We have to plot the frequency of the incident radiation at the x-axis. Here the intercept has a negative value, so the intercept will be on x-axis. This is the value of h nu naught, and that particular frequency is nu naught. That means this is the threshold frequency. And here the slope is h. So now as we have the slope, that is the value of h or the Planck's constant, we can calculate various kind of mathematics by this formula. So that was the basic class about wave and photoelectric effect on the basis of atomic structure. And now in the next video we will upload further or in-depth class of atomic structure. Thank you for your support. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.